This is the elevator at 6000 Babcock Blvd in Township, Pennsylvania. Take a look at this. This is an old Pittsburgh elevator with armor triangle hall stations, square on the inside. And I got the cursive style font. Got the upper level. And here you go, no indicator. Here at the upper level, what a motor. Back to the lower level. Pittsburgh elevator, just as I suspected when I saw the armor, ADA found. Certificate. Basic greenish cab. Mirror in the back. Used to be fake wood grain, but I guess they retired at some point. We're back at the lower level. What a motor. Epic elevator. I saw this online. That's the only... Yeah, this building doesn't look like the kind of building that would have an elevator. Closing out's gonna be it. But I saw online this elevator and oh yeah, good thing came here.